There is no algorithm that can compress experience. Andy Jassy, Amazon CEO, revealed the true color of the metaverse. The reason for writing this article is that I wanted to organize it in detail while listening to interesting contents related to the metaverse at recent major conferences. Dassault Systèmes Korea 3D Experience 2022, Korea Graphics 2022. It was also the case after the cloud came out to the world by Amazon, 2006, and when it appeared hot in the market in earnest, 2012. Now, 10 years later, the cloud is accepted as a trend of the times. I think the metaverse will be accepted as the trend of the times in the next 10 years. It seems to be a little ahead of the cloud, but in order to become the mainstream of the era, wouldn't it be common when all digital information is poured out comfortably in the world with smart glasses? Focusing on the contents of interesting lectures at recent conferences, I will organize them in the form of my metaverse column. Each person's thoughts may be different, so I think it's meaningful to organize each one's thoughts. Let's look into the identity of the metaverse one by one. Looking at the success factors of the metaverse, it seems that the market has outlined the metaverse. The identity of the metaverse was data. Jensen Huang, CEO of Nvidia, said at the GTC 2020 keynote speech on October 5, 2020, "If the past 20 years have been amazing years, the next 20 years will be science fiction. The era of the metaverse is coming." Said. The metaverse first appears in Neil Stevenson's science fiction novel, Snow Crash, 1992, mentioned by Jensen Huang. What has Nvidia's share price been like now, 2 years later? Looking at Nvidia's stock price, looking at the trend of stock prices changing to $59, the 1st of January 2020, $137, the 5th of October 2020, $332, 2021.12.1, and $142, the 17th of September 2022, the market economy is also affected. But the evaluation of the metaverse also seems cold. Now, there is no sign of recovery without showing the reality. Depending on whether you accept the metaverse or still wonder about it, you can feel the difference in temperature. In particular, research fellow Kang Tae-wook, Korea Institute of Civil Engineering and Building Technology, based on his research, defined the metaverse for engineering as exchanging data in the field. In the age of upheaval, a true metaverse is expected to be realized when the real and the virtual are connected in real time through data connectivity. And the metaverse is MMVE, massively multi-user virtual environments, which provides complex data based on large-scale user digital environments. It is said to be a platform and industry that is implemented by focusing on technology, and with the formula of metaverse equals big data x NFT x AL, ML. Digital immersion that provides a sense of spatial, social presence is the key. Hongik University said that today's design should be impressive and surprising, and that the final point of digital, virtual, is to be like analog existence. Metaverse application and trend by industry. The metaverse is a combination of all existing technologies. It seems that the metaverse for everyone should be able to implement AR with smart glasses. Those implementing the solution and deploying it to customers need to be prepared with a combination of existing technologies. When companies talk about the metaverse, the purpose is to create a profit structure for business objects, and when individuals talk about the metaverse, there are purposes such as utilization and lectures. The following is a summary of the insights I felt after listening to the conference lecture. 1. Metaverse seems to define a symbolic change in one word that is changing everything as everything digitally accelerates in the new normal era due to existing technology and the corona pandemic. 2. In the end, existing technologies, knowledge, and experience gather to create creativity. I thought that creativity is a metaverse. Data plus AR, VR plus digital twin plus equals metaverse. 3. I think it is important to understand the difference in perspective on the metaverse and incorporate it into your field. Do you want a solution? Do you want a platform? 4. In the end, the metaverse is to find an investment destination as a business. 5. Business starts from understanding the phenomenon.